Coco Galang. Bilisan ko na lang ako kasi makikita tayo lahat dito mamaya. Kasi marami pong cast eh. Of course, we have Catalea Suryo, Raymond Reynosa, Joseph Sugapo, nandito na, Cherry Cornell, Harold Feliciano, Macy Cosio, Lai Ralios, Tita Odette Can cannot be here kasi meron siyang taping. Sorry daw po. And Natalie Sitoy, Mika Jao, Christine Nefe, Banjo Alveira, Harold Lumiere, Alrico Padilla, Vince De Leon, Rene Dorian, Elijah Filamor, Rex Lantano, Tony Cabian, Sunshine Chodoro, Arian Labios, Shishi Maturan, Raul Morin, Apollo Abraham, and of course ito yung ating mga supporting and si AC Aguilar, si Beyonce, Angela Cortez, ayun na siya, Christopher King, Aaron Rivera, Jordan Herrera, who is in the States, Mercedes Cabral, who is also in the taping, and of course our lead, JC De Vera. Okay, first name from JC muna.
Top 1? Yeah, good evening everyone. Thank you sa lahat ng mga nagpunta dito. And well, I hope you enjoy the film. Don't judge. Spread love.
Don't judge without knowing all the sides of an issue. Well, actually, yung preamble ako, so parang with our film, since we're, it's time for change, we're all partners for change, siguro we'll be able to do that if we see different perspectives. And with this film, we want to show you a different perspective on how we look at well, the issue on drugs, of course, and also another perspective on how life is inside prison. So, ibang perspective po yung aming inaalay, and even also in the filmmaking, no? Siguro iba, it's another perspective. So, I hope you enjoy and leave it at that. And let's start the best party ever!
And don't forget to drop the tickets because we want to win the Audience Choice Award. We want it so bad. Alam niyo na.
Okay, so let's do it. Great. All right.